Hey, what's going on YouTube? As you can see behind me, there's a green screen. This is actually a lot easier than a lot of people think. I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use one of these things, just like this. Very simple. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see here, I have my video already cut and set up the way I want. All I need to do is add the green screen effect, which is I'm going to show you how to do that about right here where I snap my fingers, and then when I unsnap my fingers it's going to go away. So I have my effect here. I'll leave in the description where you can download these effects. They're very reliable, safe websites. So yeah, all we're gonna do is we're gonna drag our effect and you down here to this third line. You want the video with the green screen on top always, and your effect down here. But as you can see, when I play it, it doesn't work. So what we need to do is go to video effects, go to chroma keyer, and depending on the color of your green screen, it might say green screen or pure green screen. In my case, mine is pure, so I will drag that onto there. And let me undo that. Drag that onto my clip, and you can see it showed up, but it doesn't look right. So you can adjust the threshold until it looks just right. You can blur your edges just a little bit, and then you'll notice if I go frame by frame, it gets a little darker. That's what this low threshold is for. If I don't do that, if I don't use the low threshold, as you can see, everything's just darker. So you definitely want to adjust the threshold to where it looks just right. And yeah, see how to use one of these things, just like this. And then we will cut it off about right there. And we'll play it back. How to use one of these things, just like this. So yeah, as you can see, it is very simple. Here I am using Movie Studio 15.0 Platinum. I'm sorry I forgot to mention that earlier, but that would be in the title, so that's okay. Hopefully this tutorial helps you out. Be sure and hit that button. Thanks again, guys. Later.